coronavirus pandemic has changed many aspects of working life. Take long-term remote or hybrid working, for example. What was once considered a work perk in an organisation is now a core part of working life for many. In fact, 2021 data from Expert HR found that a whopping 97% of UK organisations were currently implementing some form of hybrid working. Additional research from EY's 2021 Work Reimagined Employee Survey found that 54% of employees would consider leaving their job post-pandemic if not given some flexibility over when and where they work. While changes to working structures have resulted in numerous benefits for both staff and the business, it has sparked a step change in the way that employers approach various aspects of work. One example of this is performance management, which, according to a CIPD blog post, aims to monitor, maintain and improve employee performance in line with an organisation's objectives. Like with many areas of work, the pandemic has likely had an impact on performance management and the way that it is approached. To find out more about how the pandemic changed one firm's approach to performance management and how they aim to go about this going forwards, myGrapevine magazine exclusively sat down with Stuart Bagnell, Chief of Culture at lastminute.com. Here's what he had to say.
For us at lastminute.com, the pandemic sort of really affected performance management in two ways, I would say. So firstly, it really accelerated plans that we had already to evolve our performance management process. So it was quite linear before and focused mainly around an OKR methodology that linked contribution to projects and company goals. So we wanted to move to an approach which focused on a cycle of frequent conversations around alignment, accountability, recognition, and personal development. I think the essence of it really is we don't want to tell people what to do, but we want to support them in being able to do it.
How will you manage performance going forwards in a hybrid working world / remote working world?
Now that everyone's experienced working in a full remote environment for a long period of time, I think we can all empathise with what the challenges people were experiencing before. So for us, we're going to address it, I think, by focusing on continuous and multi-layered feedback. In addition to manager feedback, this process will now include and encourage peer-to-peer feedback and also upwards and down. And I think because, with cross-functional projects becoming the norm, people working online and virtually in this way, we'll have to contribute to that project. So it's important that you can really see and understand the impact that your work has from other people, particularly if your manager's not there and can't see the work that you're doing. We're also going to support it through a cultural awareness programme. This is particularly important when giving and receiving feedback. We're now recruiting in countries for full remote roles where we haven't got office presence or worked with before. And you need to understand what are the norms and what are the differences and how to approach people from a cultural perspective.